Hi, my name's Tom. This is Lego Creator 31109. This is the pirate ship. It is one of the smaller, but definitely more accurate and more piratey, just non-commercialized pirate ships. It's really cool. It's got a lot of great features. Let me show you. So here's the pirate ship. It is a really fun build. Took a better part of a day to kind of put everything together, depending on how fast, how slow you want to go. It is very detailed, as you can see. You do get 4 different minifigures. You get Pirate 1, Pirate 2, you get a captain over on the side here. There's the captain over on the side, and you get a skeleton right there, and you also get a little bird flying, and then you can go ahead and build a little shark. These are not actual pieces, they're actually built objects. And as you can see, the sails themselves are Lego. This is kind of a big Lego piece and then a couple of little curves there. But that is actually really nice. They are all bendable, they're movable. These are not rope, but they are rubber, so they're kind of plastic as well. You have a lot of different sail configurations. The anchor itself does turn. You can turn it, you can lower and raise that chain. You get 2 cannons in here, and they have cannon ports as well that open and close. As you can see, it's just a really nice looking ship. I think it looks more ship-like than a lot of the other ships that we've seen. Here we go from the back there. It's just really nice. Another nice little feature, you have these little lanterns, which looks nice. But here, you can open this up. I'll move the sail out of the way. And you can open this up, and you can actually see into the cabin. You can put the captain in there as well, or anyone you want. Obviously, it's just a great ship. Really is a very neat ship. For anyone who likes Legos and pirates, this is definitely one set to get. It's about 1,260 pieces. And again, this is a creator series, so you can actually go ahead and make 2 other things. You can make Skull Island, which is pretty darn clever, and you can make the tavern. We are hoping to make the tavern in the next couple weeks, so it's going to be a lot of fun to go ahead and take the ship apart and make the tavern. But it looks really neat as well, and that does open up. You have like a whole little scene there, so you get the ship, and then if you can go ahead and take that apart, then you can go ahead and build the other 2 as well. By the way, these doors also kind of swing open. It's just a neat looking cabin, neat looking ship. I love the mobility on it. Also, it is not on wheels, but it does have flat pieces on the bottom, so it slides real easily. So that's kind of nice as well. So you can get a little bit of play action out of it. You can actually get it to move. It's just a really great ship. 4 minifigures, lots of different pieces, very piratey. Wonderful set to add to your collection. A really fun build. It's just neat and clever, and it's highly recommended.